welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating this very super easy but bold yellow and burgundy lip. So if you'd like to learn, then go ahead and keep on watching. I am not a primer girl, but this is supposed to smooth and be pore covering. So I'm just going to put this all over my face. I've been using this and honestly I do not see it being smoothing or pore filling, and I just been really looking for a pore filling primer, but I don't know, primers just do not work for me. I don't know why. Everyone uses this and loves it, but I just do not see a difference. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and use the Tarte Shape Tape Hydrating Foundation, and as you guys know, I'm sure you guys know a lot of the controversy on this and all the bad talk this has gotten. And not because of the product itself, but I'm not going to go into it because I went into it in my other video pretty detailed and I do not feel like talking about it again. But that video came out blurry, so we're not going to be posting it, but there's some crazy stuff going on about this. So I'm just going to be putting it all over my face and covering up this terrible acne that's all over my face. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, using this foundation, you have to use a lot of it just to get that coverage that you are wanting and bought the foundation for. It is nothing like the actual concealer that started this foundation. It's just like, it's not even the same consistency. And I bought this one because it's supposed to be hydrating and it's not hydrating at all. And this is my second time like fully using it, so maybe my opinions will change on it. I did my first impressions like review video and it came out blurry. Of course, why would it not? And I'm just going to be taking my favorite sponge. This is the Morphe sponge, blending sponge, I don't know, and just blending it out. If you guys see me looking down, it's because I put my mirror like in front of me this time, so I'm not turned to the side like I normally am. So that's why I'm looking down. Like, the foundation does look nice on the skin, but it's just not like, it's not wowing. It does not, I don't know, it's not a foundation that I would be like, oh my god, I love so much. But who knows, maybe my opinion will change. Alright, so now that the foundation is blended out, do you guys see what I mean? There's literally like no wow factor about this. And it looks matte. Does it look matte to you guys? Like, it doesn't look hydrating. It dries pretty quickly. Like, it doesn't even feel like I have to set my face. And yeah, it's just, it literally does not speak up to its name at all. And of course I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just put this where I normally would, under my eyes, all the highlights of my face. Before I set my eyes, I'm going to go in with the smallest bit of concealer and just lay this on my eyelid. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking this Luscious Cosmetics Camera Powder and setting my under eyes and my eyelids with this. So I'm just taking the little sponge it comes with and just dabbing this under my eyes a little bit. One thing I can say about this foundation is that it does stick on my nose just the slightest bit better. I have trouble getting foundation to stick on my nose, and this just kind of makes it a little bit easier, but still doesn't look too good. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. bronzer in the color Light Matte, and I'm going to be taking this Sigma F20 brush and just going in with that and tapping off like crazy because this is super pigmented. And I'm going to be bronzing up my face. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. blush in the color Blushing and taking my Luxie 514 blush brush and dipping into that and putting it on the apples of my cheeks. And you guys, let me know if you like watching these kind of videos where I am doing like my foundation brows and face makeup, or would you rather me keep it more just to the like details of the makeup, if that makes any sense, like the eyeshadow and stuff? Or do you like to watch the foundation and concealer part? Because I will love to do them more if you guys enjoy them, but if you'd like me to just go ahead and skip into the point because this part is pretty easy, then just let me know. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with that camera powder and take the little flat side of the Morphe sponge and just carve out my cheekbones. I like to do this just to give myself, you know, like a sharper contour bronze. And then I just like to go in with that side or a brush and just wipe it off. Alright, so I'm now going to be picking up the Sleek Solstice palette. And I'm going to be taking the other side of my sponge and I'm going to be dipping into pretty much like all three of these colors. And I'm going to be placing my highlight with my sponge. And I did this the other day on camera, but it was blurry. But I kind of actually really like how it turned out. It kind of just made my highlight, you know, melt into the skin. And now I'm just going to be taking this Luxie 229 taper blending brush and just be dipping into all of the colors again and just going down the bridge of my nose. And then I'm going to take some on the Cupid's bow as well. Alright, and now I'm going to be taking the BrowGal Convertible Brow. And I'm going to be using this middle color right here. And of course, just going in and filling in my brows. Okay, so I just went in with some concealer and cleaned them up. Oh my gosh, doing your brows on camera and in a different like lighting and room is so hard. I suck at brows. They're my least favorite thing to do, so I think they look a little uneven, but we're just gonna pretend that they're twins. Alright, so now we're gonna be moving on to eyes, which is gonna be the easiest part. So I'm gonna be taking the Morphe 35B palette and I'm gonna be dipping into this yellow shade right here. And guys, this is literally gonna be the only shade we use. So I'm just gonna be taking this Morphe M441 brush and dipping into that, and then we're going to be blending this all over the lid, the crease, pretty much everywhere. We're going to have some bright ass yellow eyeshadow. So now that the eyelids are very nice and blended out, I'm going to be taking this like little bullet crease brush. This is the Morphe E18 brush, and I'm going to be dipping into that and just running this under the lower lash line area. Alright, so now off camera, I'm going to be going in with these Sketa Beauty lashes. These are in the style 3D28. If you guys have not checked her out, you should, because her lashes are amazing and they're literally the only lashes I use. And then I'm going to be going in my waterline with this IT Cosmetics No Tug liner. Alright, so I went ahead and put some eyeliner in my waterline and put on these lashes. They're already popping off because I suck at putting on lashes. I do not know how you guys do it, but we're just going to pretend they're not popping off. And I'm going to go in with this pencil brush and back into that Solstice highlighting palette, and I'm just going to be dipping into those colors again and putting that on my inner corner and on my brow bone. And now I'm going to go in with the Dose of Colors DesiXKaty liquid lipstick. This is in the color Savage. And I'm going to be putting this all over my lips. It's just a very dark, deep burgundy red brownish color. Just realized that I got out of frame. I got closer up to, you know, fix the lipstick, and then I didn't show you the top lip, but you guys know how to put on lipstick. So yeah, that is the completed look. I actually really love how this turned out. I would definitely wear this like very often. It was so easy to create. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.